have come, Lord, to do your will. See, I have come, Lord, to do your will. I waited for the Lord, and He stooped down to me. He heard my cry. He put a new song into my mouth, praise of our God. See, I have come, Lord, to do your will. You delight not in sacrifice and offerings, but in open ear. You do not ask for holocaust and victim. Then I said, see, I have come. See, I have come, Lord, to do your will. In the scroll of the book, it stands written of me. I delight to do your will, O my God. Your instructions lie deep within me. See, I have come, Lord, to do your will. Your justice I have proclaimed in the great assembly. My lips I have not sealed, you know it, O Lord. See, I have come, Lord,